Technical base layers do a great job of managing our sweat when we're being active. Summer base layers wick moisture rapidly across your body, accelerating evaporation and therefore cooling you down. In winter, you need your base layer to wick moisture away from your body, maintaining an insulation gap and keeping you warm. However, technical base layers do suffer from a couple of drawbacks. Firstly, and especially with synthetic fabrics, they can soon start to really stink, so much that normal washing detergent often fails to freshen them up. Secondly, a base layer's wicking performance can actually be inhibited by normal fabric detergents, and especially fabric conditioners. Nikwax has a range of solutions to these problems, depending on how you prefer to do your washing. All these products remove and prevent odour build-up, whilst also improving wicking performance for faster evaporation. Base wash for synthetics and wool wash for woolen base layers go into your detergent drawer and are used instead of your standard detergent. These are a good option if you're washing a lot of base layers at the same time. Base fresh for both woolens and synthetics goes in the fabric conditioner drawer and is used alongside your standard detergent. This is a good option if you want to wash your base layers at the same time as other clothes, but still maintain their performance. Base wash, wool wash and base fresh all give great odour control and maintain wicking performance, allowing you to concentrate on enjoying your activity.